Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and in this video we're going to be going over how to do a circular pattern in 123D. I'm going to start with a box, pop it down, and I'm going to go straight to circular pattern. Pick a solid, remember to pick an edge of the solid for whatever reason, and then axis I can just pick this for example, and you can see that we can start to make something with it. So I'll just keep doing that for a bit. And there you can see that we made, I don't know what you would use it for, but there's something. So I'll just make another new project. And this time I'll add a box. And I will add a cylinder right about here. And I'm going to do another circular pattern. Pick this as the solid. For axis, I'm going to pick this outer face because there's a center to it. So luckily it's smart enough to do this. Then I can start to do that, and now we got kind of a gear looking thing, right? And there's more you could do with this. So I'm going to add in a cylinder, pop it there, smart scale, something like this. And now I'm going to pop in a box, and I'll use the box this time for the axis. And yeah. What we're going to do is circular pattern. Remember to pick the edge, to pick the whole solid. For axis, I'm going to pick this. And now I can start to do that. And now delete this. And we basically got ourselves a flower. Okay, so you could mess around with this, make a lot of different things. This is Keith from Kinvert. We went over how to do a circular pattern. Hope you found this useful. It's part of our online course on 3D printing and CAD. We will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.